Welcome to Important Documents Module 6, Company ID. A company ID provides proof of identity for work-related purposes. Typically, a company ID is a small card the size of a driver's license, which displays information like your name, position, ID number or barcode, department, and a photo. Most companies require their employees to have their ID with them while on business premises, so it is very important that you keep track of yours. Keeping your company ID on a lanyard or in your wallet is a good idea to ensure that you don't forget or lose it. Company ID cards can serve multiple different purposes within an organization. To begin with, ID cards can be a great way for companies to increase their security measures. For example, you may need to show your company ID to enter the building or access certain areas. This can help protect the business against theft and ensure that the premises are secure. Additionally, your ID number or barcode may be required to access the company's computer network to protect their information. Another purpose that company ID cards can serve is time and activity tracking. Some companies require their employees to scan their ID when entering and exiting the building to keep track of their hours. ID cards may also be used to track equipment usage and areas accessed. Monitoring all of this activity helps keep employees accountable and facilitates a simple process for clocking in or out. Finally, company ID cards can be used to access some employee benefits and amenities. For instance, some companies may offer their employees exclusive discounts or deals for events, gym memberships, or restaurants. In order to access these perks, a company ID is usually required. A company ID may also be used as a form of payment at some company cafeterias. All in all, company ID cards are a very important form of identification in the workplace that serves many purposes. You'll want to make a habit of bringing this ID card with you whenever you go to work. In conclusion, company ID cards ensure security in the workplace. Company ID cards can include employee perks, and get in the habit of bringing your ID every day to work.